I hope we all know about Mark Zuckerberg. Yeah, obviously I know because he's the co-founder of Facebook and we all are using this. And also we have know about Bill Gates. We also know about Elon Musk and we also know about Thomas Edison. We also know about Steve Jobs. Who are they? I'll just give you step by step about himself. Why I just and also many people are in there, but why I just take the name as like them, these peoples. So wishing you all everyone. Your host Ranjan Kri this side, and today I'm discussing about a topic or a tagline that is किस्मत का खेल नहीं ये स्किल का खेल है. So those the people who to whom I named, these are the is like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, or anyone. So they are mainly college dropout, school dropout, and someone who is known as Thomas Edison. He is also school dropout. The school he said that he is a abnormal children, so he can't handle this, and he refused him to study in the school. So now the result we are going to observe this. So these are not the special children. They have not the skills that they have extraordinary. It's like this. Some people, a student is in Bihar, who is a less number of A's that he contained, but he is going to coach the IIT peoples or going to coach the people who are getting to IIT. So he's without his age experience, but he's getting the experience to his upper age pupils. This is called extraordinary talent. This is a his luck. He by luck he get the intelligence. That's why he is performing very well, very excellent. But these are people, the name whom I have taken, these are not the extraordinary people. They are the normal people, as like us, but they do the skill extraordinarily. That's why they are the top position, and we are saying him by luck they get. Actually, they have not get the achievement by their luck. They have got a lots of failure. It's like I have remembered something, but not actually the name of the scientist. They have done 10,000 mistake in their life, and his company is totally burned some one day. And he called to his son and his wife and say, "Look at that. There are my 10,000 mistake is burned out, and I have to take it in a new way." When he say that statement, everyone say that he is a mentor. Everyone not recognize himself. Everyone say he is a mentor. And also when he checked the 10,000 atoms, can you feel that people say that yes, this you are doing the right thing, you are success in one day. Do you feel that? No, no. They have to criticize them also. But he is doing his own thing and he is polishing his skill and get the result. This is the called the this is called ये स्किल का खेल है. किस्मत इसमें कुछ नहीं आता. It's like this. We can find the Steve Jobs, who is in that college time. He have not interested in college theoretical studies, but he have a lots of interest in calligraphy. So he has joined in calligraphy, and he get a very skilled person in that calligraphy, and he designed iPhone, and he designed a company and iPhone that you have known about the success ratio of the iPhone or Apple company. So he nourishes his skill, and in that process, when he nourishes his skill, no one will help them, or even he is kicked out from their own founded company known as Apple. That's why he have done some extra company known as Next Gen Pixar. So and there also he is skilling, he is nourishing his skill. Next and Next and Pixar are two company which is based on only on the calligraphy, which is just polishing the skill of Steve Jobs. And after when Apple come back him, and he just put it back into the Apple. So in here we found that in all the case studies, like the scientist case study, the real Steve Jobs case study, we found that no one will get by luck. Everything is done if someone is master in a field. So you have to upgrade your skill. You have to make the skill. So in a general way, we have known that approximately if you have learned something 10,000 hour, then you will be the master on this, and you have the good skill in that particular field. So make this and take your skill into the upgrade field. That's why no one will say you this is you get by your luck. Everything is got by their luck. This is not mandatory, and this is also not even possible, not even proved in every time. Just one in the normal generation, only 5% people are extraordinary, which is mm, got pre-given mentality or pre-given talent, but another 90% people are normal and 5% people are abnormal. So 90% people are nourishing their skill, and they are growing up, and we people, normal people, are saying this is the luck. So don't confuse in this as like this. Luck is nothing. Luck is just a thing that we just consider ourselves and say our heart to he get his the achievement by his luck, so we don't compare ourselves with him. This is just a tagline that uh, we have to compromise ourselves. We have to compromise ourselves with this. So skill are the most essential thing. You have to nourish this, and you have to grow it up. So after this, signing out this side, Ranjan Giri. So I am to you also upload your video in the topic किस्मत का खेल नहीं है, किस्मत का खेल, स्किल का खेल है. थैंक यू.